Hello, creative friends! Today we're diving into a product line that's designed to make your crafting life easier and more meaningful. Stampin' Up's Memories and More. Whether you're a seasoned scrapbooker, a card-making enthusiast, or just getting started, the Memories and More product line has everything you need to preserve those special moments and create heartfelt cards. It's a fantastic value that gives you the tools to celebrate memories and the people who help make them. Today, we're thrilled to introduce the all-new Remember This Moment Memories and More card pack, part of our March online exclusives launch. This collection is perfect for both card making and memory keeping. Need to whip up a card in a flash? No problem. These cards and envelopes are designed for quick and easy crafting, so you can spend more time enjoying those precious moments. And for all you scrapbookers out there, the double-sided cards give you maximum flexibility for your layouts. With 6 of each of the 3 double-sided designs, you have a total of 18 cards to play with. Some even include journaling lines, making it easy to record memories and experiences that you'll cherish forever. The Remember This Moment card pack is all about capturing life's most beautiful memories, big or small. Whether you're recording a milestone or just a fun day with friends, these cards help you tell your story in a creative and meaningful way. So, if you're looking for a quick and easy way to create stunning cards or scrapbook layouts, look no further than Stampin' Up's Memories and More product line. With its great value and endless possibilities, you'll be smiling every time you craft. Happy crafting! And don't forget to reach out to your demonstrator or visit stampinup.com to learn more. Until next time, keep creating and making memories.